Welcome to Invest in Africa Now, where we explore the world of business and entrepreneurship. Today, we're diving into the sweet world of cookie baking and business. If you're interested in starting your own cookie business in Africa, this video will guide you through the key steps, discuss the machinery required for cookie production, and explore effective marketing strategies to boost sales. Let's get started by understanding why the cookie business can be a rewarding venture. Contact us for the most powerful industry machinery. I will help you buy, install, and start a business in Africa. The cookie business offers a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs in Africa. Here's why starting a cookie business can be an exciting and profitable venture. As African economies grow and urbanization increases, there's a rising demand for convenience foods and snacks like cookies. Consumers are looking for quick, tasty treats, making cookies an ideal product to sell. Diverse flavors and preferences. Africa is a diverse continent with various cultural influences. This allows cookie businesses to create unique flavors and cater to a wide range of tastes. You can experiment with traditional African ingredients or offer classic cookie recipes. Low barrier to entry. Starting a cookie business requires relatively low startup costs compared to other food businesses. This makes it accessible to entrepreneurs who want to enter the food industry without significant capital investment. Once established, a cookie business can expand into other baked goods, such as cakes, pastries, or muffins. This opens up additional revenue streams and business opportunities. Now that we've explored the benefits of starting a cookie business, let's dive into the essential steps to launch your venture. Decide on your cookie business's concept. Will you focus on traditional cookies, gourmet cookies, or health-conscious options? Identify your target market, considering factors like age, income, and location. Create a business plan that outlines your concept, menu, pricing strategy, target market, marketing plan, and financial projections. A solid business plan is essential for guiding your business and securing funding. Select your business structure, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Consult with legal and financial experts to understand the implications and ensure compliance with local regulations. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate your cookie business. Determine your startup costs, including equipment, ingredients, packaging, and marketing expenses. Explore funding options like personal savings, bank loans, or investments from family and friends. 5. Acquire equipment and set up your bakery. Invest in the necessary equipment for cookie production. This may include commercial ovens, mixers, cookie cutters, cooling racks, and packaging machines. Ensure your bakery setup is efficient and meets food safety standards. If you plan to hire staff, ensure they are trained in baking techniques and food safety. A skilled and reliable team is crucial for maintaining consistent quality and meeting production demands. Experiment with cookie recipes to create a diverse product line. Consider offering a mix of traditional and unique flavors. Test your cookies with friends, family, or focus groups to gather feedback and refine your recipes. Create a strong brand identity for your cookie business. Design eye-catching packaging that reflects your brand's personality and appeals to your target market. Consider eco-friendly packaging options to align with sustainability trends. Host. Now that we've covered the essential steps, let's discuss the machines and equipment you'll need to produce cookies efficiently. To run a successful cookie business, you'll need various machines and equipment for baking and packaging. Here's a list of essential items. Invest in commercial-grade ovens that can handle high-volume baking. Convection ovens are popular for cookie baking due to their even heat distribution. Mixers and blenders. Commercial mixers are essential for preparing cookie dough. Choose a mixer with a capacity that suits your production volume. Blenders can be useful for preparing fillings or icings. Depending on your cookie designs, you'll need cookie cutters and molds. These allow you to create consistent shapes and designs. Cooling racks. Cooling racks are essential for allowing cookies to cool evenly after baking. Ensure you have enough racks to handle your production volume. Packaging machines. If you plan to package your cookies for retail, invest in packaging machines like heat sealers or flow wrappers. This helps maintain product freshness and extends shelf life. Host. With the right equipment in place, let's explore effective marketing strategies to attract customers and increase sales. Marketing is crucial for a successful cookie business. Here are some effective strategies to attract more customers and boost sales. Create a professional website for your cookie business. Share information about your products, brand story, and contact details. Maintain active social media profiles to engage with customers and share updates on new cookie flavors or promotions. Attract customers by offering free samples of your cookies. This allows potential customers to taste your products and encourages them to make a purchase. Consider offering special promotions, like buy one, get one free, or discounts on bulk purchases. Form partnerships with local cafes, coffee shops, or restaurants to offer your cookies on their menus. Collaborations can expand your reach and introduce your cookies to new customers. Join local food markets and festivals to showcase your cookies. These events provide an opportunity to interact with customers, gather feedback, and generate sales. Encourage customers to leave reviews and provide feedback. Use this information to improve your products and customer service. Positive reviews help build credibility and attract more customers. Starting a cookie business can be challenging. Here are some common challenges and tips on how to overcome them. Consistency is key in the cookie business. Ensure your recipes and baking processes are standardized to produce consistent results. Regularly test your cookies to ensure they meet your quality standards. The cost of ingredients, equipment, and packaging can add up. Manage costs by buying in bulk, negotiating with suppliers, and reducing waste in the production process. The cookie business can be competitive. Differentiate your business by offering unique flavors, eco-friendly packaging, or health-conscious options. Build a strong brand identity to stand out in the market. Ensure your cookie business complies with local food safety regulations. Conduct regular inspections and provide food safety training to your staff. Create a unique brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Design an attractive logo and packaging that reflects your brand's personality. Your branding should communicate quality and creativity. Launch a professional website that showcases your cookies and provides information about your business. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to engage with customers and share updates on new cookie flavors or promotions. Attract customers by offering free samples and promotions. This allows potential customers to taste your cookies and increases the likelihood of a purchase. Promotions like buy one, get one free, or loyalty programs can encourage repeat business. Partner with local cafes, restaurants, or coffee shops to offer your cookies on their menus. Collaborations expand your reach and help you tap into new customer bases. Engage with your local community by participating in food markets, fairs, and events. This provides a platform to showcase your cookies, interact with potential customers, and generate sales. Encourage customers to leave reviews and provide feedback. Starting a successful cookie business in Africa requires careful planning, a focus on quality, and effective marketing strategies. With the right approach and commitment to customer satisfaction, you can build a thriving business that brings joy to your customers. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and business in Africa. Until next time, happy baking and best of luck with your cookie business.